Decoding English, Unraveling Swot up. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular British English phrase, swot up. Ever heard of it? Whether you're familiar with it or not, by the end of this video, you'll know all about it and how to use it. Let's get started. Swot up is primarily a British English phrase. The word swot originally referred to a person who studies hard, especially one who does nothing else and has few other interests. Over time, swot evolved to become a verb, meaning to study hard or to brush up on a subject. When you swot up on something, you're taking the time to study or learn about it intensely, often in a short period. Using swot up is quite simple once you get the hang of it. Let's go through a few examples. 1. Before the exam, I need to swat up on my history notes. 2. I'm going to swat up on Italian cuisine before our trip to Rome. 3. She swatted up on the company's background before her interview. From these examples, you can see that the phrase is often used in contexts where there's a need to gain knowledge quickly or prepare for something. In American English, you might hear phrases like cram or brush up on. These are somewhat similar to swot up. For instance, I need to cram for my math test tomorrow. I'm going to brush up on my Spanish before our trip to Mexico. While these phrases can often be used interchangeably, it's always good to know the nuances and cultural differences in language. There you have it, the wonderful world of swot up, unraveled. We hope you feel more confident in using this phrase in your conversations now. Remember, language is a living entity, always evolving and changing. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.